Hello,
3 minutes.
my name is Ifetayo Harvey. I'm the executive director of the People of Color Psychedelic Collective. My organization provides education and community outreach to those interested in learning about psychedelics and ending the war on drugs. I've worked in the broader drug policy reform field for 11 years. In those 11 years, I worked as Rick Doblin's assistant at the Multidisciplinary Association for Psychedelic Studies for 8 months in 2015. Despite my poor treatment as an employee, I'm grateful to MAPS for pioneering a movement around psychedelic healing in clinical settings. I believe part of the reason why we're here is the question surrounding the efficacy of MDMA-assisted psychotherapy for people with PTSD. But I also think the other part of the reason why we're here is because this is the first time, in my opinion, that advocates have had the space to share and have others engage their concerns. There's a tendency in the psychedelic community to shy away from critiques or confrontations. This hearing may not have been as bustling had leaders in the field address some of the questions speakers are bringing up today. I consider a lot of the speakers colleagues, and one common theme between us is that we entered the psychedelic field as enthusiasts for the movement. Yet we know when we love something, you must critique it. For the last few years, I've critiqued MAPS for their lack of inclusion of non-white study subjects. I've also witnessed the field and MAPS dismiss valid concerns from other critics and a refusal to engage those concerns. While some may see this hearing as a detraction, I see it as an opportunity to improve our movement and ensure consumer safety. After seeing the evidence of abuses, cross boundaries, and buried discrepancies, I've concluded that there needs to be more rigorous research on MDMA-assisted psychotherapy before it's brought to the public. As an advocate for ending the war on drugs, I believe that all drugs should be decriminalized and regulated. Yet there's a need for research-backed understanding and guidance on safe, effective use of psychedelics. Rigorous accountability standards and a moral degree of integrity are central to my commitment. I hope that after this hearing, the field starts to hold itself to a higher standard.